This is how I and the rest of my team manage our one-to-one-s. First, we choose a template like this one. I personally love this one because it gives the team member the opportunity to choose what they would like to discuss, and then sets up a few questions and conversation starters so I can get ready for that conversation. On top of that, I can take notes and go back in time to see all previous notes in one place. So once you have the process template, and as I mentioned, it could be this one, which includes multiple topics to choose from, or this simpler alternative, the next step is to make it recurring, like this. Let's say you have a one-to-one once a month, or biweekly. Set it up and invite the right person to that one-on-one. Now, a very important step. Make sure this is connected to your calendar. To do that, go to your settings, scroll all the way down, and you'll find a link that looks like this. Copy that link, then go to your calendar. Whether you use Google Calendar or another calendar tool, find the button to add a new calendar. Choose the option to add a calendar with a URL and paste the link you copied from Nova. Then ask your team member to do the same with their calendar. Let's say you